Asma, Huldia Arwansyah,
Hamis,
Yasmin.
Stewart.
Our group has chosen this Panasonic Econa 7 Humidifying Nano Air Purifier as our datum. This air purifier covers an area of 26 square meters or 280 square feet. The dimension of this air humidifier is 520 millimeters in height, 360 millimeters in width, and 200 millimeters in depth. It also has a tank capacity of 2.1 liters. When the air purifying and humidifying process is running, this air humidifier will produce noise at 49 decibel levels, which is like the sound of a rainfall. Panasonic claims that this air humidifier inhibits viruses and bacteria, reduces odor such as tobacco smell after 30 minutes, and helps in skin hydration. The Econa 7 features in this air humidifier is an eco-operative mode where it measures the humidity itself using the built-in hygrometer or humidity meter, so the air humidifier runs only when necessary and shuts off when it reaches the ideal humidity.
Assalamualaikum. I will be explaining on the key features for our winning concept. We have chosen C3, and the reason is because it has the highest amount of plus values, which is 3, and the minus value is 0. The functions and key features of this humidifier of ours is that we had included a number of added features. For example, the first one is it has Bluetooth speakers. Second is we added in an information display, and last one is the LED alarm clock. This states that our humidifier, our C3 winning concept, is not only multifunctional, but it is also portable and compact in size and weight, which enables for users to make it mobile so that they can place it anywhere they want. And that is all for our key features of our winning concept. Thank you.
Okay, now I will be talking about the winning concept. So our group has chosen C3 as the winning concept because it has the most ideal size as compared to C1 and C2. The humidifier is tabletop to fit a single room and small enough to be portable, so it can easily sit on a table of any size and a great option for travel. Besides, C3 will produce noise less than 30 decibels level that makes it quieter than C1 and C2. According to Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), 30 decibels level is the actual sound of a soft whisper. Thus, this will not bother a person who's sleeping next to it. Furthermore, the antibacterial silver technology that is being used in C3 works the best in maintaining a germ-free condition. This technology works continuously to inhibit the growth of bacteria. In result, it may stop the spread of any viruses and flu. Moreover, C3 have built-in hygrometer and humidistat, but C2 only has hygrometer, while C1 does not have any sensor. These features will measure and control a room humidity to maintain a perfect level of humidity. As too low or too high level of humidity are unhealthy for us, having these features will be good for our health. Lastly, C3 has come up with built-in LED alarm clock and Bluetooth speaker that makes it multifunctional. The LED alarm clock will display time and mood-enhancing lights like soft light for a calming atmosphere. Then, the Bluetooth speaker can play a personal list of favorite music and is easy to set up.
Now, I'm going to talk about the sketch of the winning concept. On the top left corner of the sketch, you can see the humidifier from top view. And on top of the humidifier, we installed Bluetooth speakers. Bluetooth speakers allows the user to play music while they are studying or when they are going to sleep. I'm going to talk about the back view of the humidifier. On the right side of the back view, there is an output and an input. How it works is the input will suck in unfresh air from the surrounding, and inside the humidifier, it will humidify the air, and the output will blow out fresher air with a better smell. While on the right side of the humidifier, there is an information display and a humidifier control center. The information display will display information to you like the humidity of air inside the room. And the humidifier control center will basically controls how the device humidifies the air. Lastly, we're going to see the front view of the humidifier. Okay, as you can see, LED alarm clock is installed on the front where you can set your alarm and you can see the time there when you wake up in the morning.
Winning concept is C3 because it has the highest difference between the positive and negative, which is positive 3, meanwhile C1 is negative 4 and C2 is 0.